friends to my channel, Gaurav Jaiswal channel. So, hello, sisters and brothers of India, America, and all the world joining me. And it's my great pleasure to introduce the things which is related to some um, industries, trends, and whatever. I just discuss some of the topic. I just improve my vocabulary, improve my skills in English speaking. So, just start with there is lot of smoke which is a smoke which is a carbon dioxide coming in the air because someone has burned the garbage here. And what I should explain to you that what so we discuss on the topic. This is what I will discuss here. Just a topic though there I just see a flag which is flying in the air, and I just see a light which is started now, which is installed by the RV Indian Road Builder. And what should we explore? So there are a lot of buildings in my hometown, and there are three trees near to my home, and it's some type of tree which is called as umber, is almond tree, and here is also a very big tree which live his life very more. so so what happened today? It's just I'm not what means earlier and yesterday what happened. Just what you should not tell about the yesterday, means you should tell about your present, means living in the present, not live in the past. Take the experience from the past and apply it in the future, and work in the present. And definitely so what should we discuss? So we should discuss the universe. The universe consists of, what are the things universe consists of? Universe consists of the so many galaxies, so many planets, so many asteroids, which is made of the some material, which is made of the some materials. Which material? It include the whatever the material. We have not discovered so much material, but whatever we discover, it just present in the atmosphere in the universe, and we are essentially the part of the universe. So we just in our galaxy, which is our which galaxy we are living? It's a Milky Way galaxy. It is a Milky Way galaxy, and which consists of there are so many planets in our galaxies, but just our solar system, which is the sun. Our sun is the most biggest star, on which the every planet can revolve. It's include the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, and there is a one in between the Mars, and there is in Jupiter there is an asteroid belt which consists of the so many rocky materials. And you know what happened some millions year ago? There is one asteroid hit on the Earth, and which is the dominant species on the Earth, which is dinosaur, get extinct because such a event happened, which was very destructive. And every living animal who is very tall and got disappear, means they are extinct. Some of them are in present, but there are some extinct, and only the small animals, which are the mammals or the any birds or the fish, can survive. There is a lot of what we say. There is some years when the asteroid hit, everything is born, everything is exploded, and it's a very sharp event. Means suddenly the everything is disappear by the some you know the some. It is very, means it is some thousands of times of the nuclear explosion which is happening in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So the dinosaur get extinct, and after that, what is going to happen? The evolution of the man. The man is now surviving, dominating this planet because the dinosaur get extinct, and some other species are get evolved. Just like we see that some type of dinosaur is just evolved in the hen, cock, and some example. There are so many animals. Evolution is happen. The evolution is happen. After that, what happened? The universe consists of several planets, several types of planet, and so much planets are there. What do you say? There are so many galaxies. The universe means which in the Hindi literature or in the Sanskrit there is called as the Brahmand, Brahmand, universe, universal things. Yes, definitely. So after that, what happened? The Earth is suffer from the lot of destruction when the asteroid hit. It when the all the species get extinct. Some remain, but after that, Earth gets to evolve. Means it just burn some years, some thousands of years. Means some years. After that, it is जो the due to the atmospheric pressure, due to the atmospheric smoke gathering in the sky, the temperature is very cold. The temperature is first become very hot, then after that it is very cold, and it consists of all the ice, and the earth is become totally ice or made up of the ice. And after that the layer is removed from the atmosphere, which is made up of the some dust and the so much particle which stop the sun to come on the earth. And after that, what happens? The the earth come to its the earth come to its original form. Means and it's become more greener. Means more greener, and the plant is starting the evolution of the animals, the mammals, the parrots, the fish, the ewes, the birds are started evolving. And we see that there is a biodiversity of the life which is in our on our planet. There are so many life which consist of the so many animals, so many birds, and so on. So what is our conclusion in that? The man is getting evolved, but first we know that there is a Homo sapien, and the most advanced the species is the Homo sapien. Homo sapien, we are the Homo sapiens. Our kingdom name, we are the mammals. Yes, animals, mammals, and there's a lot of the science. Yes, the everything is having the in the 10th standard we learn the Darwin's law, means the evolution of the nature. The some theories we have learned, means those who have fit will survive in this battle and other get extinct. It's just the evolution, means one who fit to the nature get evolved and other get perish or extinct. After that we just see the so many laws come in the science, just like the every object continue to remain at rest until an external unbalanced force act on it. The evolution of where I'm going to tell you a story of my life. I just completed my schooling from the 7th. I just completed my schooling from SCPS Saraswati English Primary School from my hometown, which is in Agopet village. After that I just moved my parent to give me the admission in the Manibai school, because my sister also have studied from this school, and it is very supportive, and all the faculties and teachers are very supportive. Now after that I just done my 10th and have a coaching, only one coaching during my academics, and I just done some coaching which, but they are not proper in the early childhood. But at the 10th I have joined the coaching, which is Sai coaching classes in the Rati Nagar in Amravati. And what happened? Yes, there I score 88.40, which is somewhat good. So which is consist of the, but I just plan to get the some better percentage. But what happened that after that I just took the admission in the government polytechnic in Amravati. The percentage does not matter. It matters when it's too low. But I just took in the government polytechnic Amravati. Then I done my diploma during that corona time. I just not focus on my studies, and that is why I just have to take. I'm not other student. My friends have taken the good college, but there is no fault of the college. Means we say Photo College is a good college. But the environment of the Vidarbha region is not supporting us. Means we just become whatever our environment. If we live with some technical people, we have become that next technical people. But yes, definitely just it's not the fault of environment, it's fault of yours. You just admit your own fault. I have not focused on the study, that's why I just facing some issues, but that issues will be so. I believe in the God, and definitely God will help me, because until unless I going to help myself, means I have to help myself. And after that I just become my dream to become a good software engineer, means software developer. And I moved to the first, as you want to go to Chennai. After that I just went to the San Francisco, which is the US state. San Francisco Bay Area, which is a region of the California, United States, and there is a Silicon Valley. I just want to join the Silicon Valley for my further career development. And definitely, if I do the hard work, means I just watched some video. I just one video of the APJ Abdul Kalam. It just give the fourth principle of the if you want to excel something, excellence is not an accident. You just have to go through the process. Means you just need the quality of the time and quality of the work needed. Excellence is the process, not accident. So he just tell you the give the four principle of the excellence. First is you should have the goal. You should have vision, great vision. You should have great mission and perseverance. The passion you needed, and so perseverance is very much needed. Hard work is also needed. The hard work is very important. Means whatever you are going to achieve, it's through the hard work. And if you don't do the hard work, means no pain, no gain. It's a saying. So you have to take the pain. So I just continue tomorrow, and it's today 1st October, the start of the month, which is and tomorrow tomorrow there is a Sarvapitra Amosya and also Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. I will definitely make a video on how the work of the Mahatma Gandhi has inspired all the world, because he has given us the one main principle of the life, which is written in the Bhagavad Gita itself, that ahimsa means non-violence, which is very essential for the mankind, because in this era we see that though there are so many wars happening, means the countries is in fight, means in the last century we have seen the 2 world wars, and this not should be happen, because and we need to accept the principle of the Mahatma Gandhi, which teaches us the non-violence, truth, honesty, and so on. Definitely I will make the tomorrow video on it, and it's just I just make the long video, so it's becoming dark, and the sun is dawn and dusk. This one dusk, the sun is yes, dawn and dusk, dusking, and so just tomorrow is Sarvapitra Amosya also, which is our for the our ancestor who live in the heaven, and we just pray for them, and we ask them to give us the blessings. We just want the blessing from our ancestor, because the yes, that help us too, and until and unless we are not it's just the blessing of our ancestor, and it's just the blessing of the God which help you. If you have done the good work, definitely the our ancestor will help us. So tomorrow is Sarvapitra Amosya, tomorrow is also Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, and after that there is a first day of the Shardiya Navratri. We know the Shardiya Navratri, yes, definitely the Navratri is celebrated all over India, especially in the Gujarat state of the India, and all over the India we see that there is I'm living in Maharashtra, there is a lot of enthusiasm and the joy and the happiness all over the India in this 9 day of the what we say, in this 9 day of the Navratri, and we play the different yes, Garba play, means dance, sing Garba, and there is a lot of food and so on. Means these 9 days are very enjoying for all over the India, and the yes, the Durga Puja, the yes, it's just Durga Puja must the power of the Shakti, means the power the which give us the yes, we know the Shiva and Shakti, yes, together are the yes, we devote to them, and the Durga Mata, yes, Kali Mata, Durga Mata, and the 9 avatars of the Durga Mata. I will also make the video describing them in English, but yes, definitely I just how we have gone through the several process. It's just a process, it's not become excellence, but you have to grow there. I just earlier talked that if you have to achieve the excellence, means it's just you have to go through the process. And definitely see you guys, and just 1 minute later left, so we have to consider our 1 minute and definitely talk some good things. So after that there is a in this month of I have gone through the placement just like the Oakland and the Kodita, and yes, I have definitely grabbed the opportunity. If I have to start the work by today itself, by doing the aptitude, by doing the verbal ability, by doing the points, and I just have to maintain the habit of doing the aptitude, because aptitude is very much crucial for the technical placement drives, and definitely you need to grab one skills which is going to helpful, just like you should learn the technical knowledge, and just like this Java, CPP, and so on. You should have the knowledge of the programming as you are an engineer in the computer science field, and definitely I am just learning on that and working on the project, and definitely I just tell you I just committed to my dreams, and definitely I will fulfill my dreams. But yes, I just written a thought. I just written the many provas, but one prova I just going to tell you, which I read from one book. Means dare to dream, but you should care to achieve. Dare to dream and care to achieve. So thank you, sisters and brothers of India, America, and all the worlds joining me. And it's a great pleasure to introduce to you. Thank you, world.